Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. Today I want to talk about wait, so before I start this video, make sure to subscribe and comment. And also, I'm having a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, and we're really close to hitting 1K, so make sure to subscribe because giveaway coming soon. It's gonna be like a really good giveaway, and check out my links down below. That's where I keep all my business links. So today I want to talk about what to expect when starting a lip gloss business, or like a cosmetic business or a skincare business, you know, like a business amongst the mainly a lip gloss business, because that's what I can speak on. There is a lot of things to expect, you know. Of course, you just want to start and jump in. I give y'all some things that, like, you know, I wish I paid more attention to, or some things that, like, I just want y'all to know that, like, they're 99% sure going to happen, because I have talked to some other small business owners and they have definitely went through like all of the same thing. You're gonna be doing a lot of cleaning. I don't know if this is like, you know, this is probably like, girl, that's common sense, but honestly, you don't know how much you're going to be cleaning. Like, you're going to be cleaning so much because you have to make sure that your product is clean, what you're using is clean, your area is clean, your hands are clean, you know, the containers you're putting the product in is clean. So much has to be clean. So like, you need to know how much you're going to be cleaning. Pay somebody to kind of do that part, or you might want to schedule like a couple hours out of your day to clean. So there's gonna be a lot of cleaning. I just want to let y'all know that, like, there's gonna be a lot of cleaning. You're gonna need a lot of gloves. It's a lot. So just want to let y'all know that the lip gloss community first started, it wasn't like this, but I feel like now, you know, as it's kind of getting bigger. Two, you need to find something that makes you different, make you and your business different. It is a very saturated market, but so is literally every other business. You know what I'm saying? That doesn't mean that you can't succeed. That doesn't mean that you're not gonna find success. It doesn't mean any of that. It's just very saturated. So you have to come in on like some different stuff if you truly want to succeed or have longevity in your business. I highly recommend truly doing the research, truly doing the work, find like your niche. You know, it might be something that you don't think customers will like, and that they love. You know, that could be like your breakthrough. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, keep trying ideas, keep finding what makes you different and things like that. So yeah, I mean, number three, there's gonna be a lot of ups and downs, like with money, with sales, with customers, with followers. You know, there's gonna be days where you gain like 10,000 subscribers, 10,000 followers, 10,000 likes, you know, and then some days you will get 0. That's the thing about being an entrepreneur. That's the thing about being self-employed. That's the thing about being a small business owner, is you're gonna have a lot of ups and downs. So be grateful for the ups and be grateful for the downs, because the ups teach you that something you're doing is working, and the downs teach you that there's always something to improve. A $3,000 day, be proud of that, but there's gonna be days where you make nothing, or $100 or $10. Be grateful for every sale, be grateful for every customer, be grateful for everything, because people don't got about nothing from you. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, so just be grateful for your customers. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of ups and downs, but that's entrepreneurship in general, and being your own boss. You're gonna have a lot of ups and downs. So just prepare for what you have to prepare for, and just know, and just, you know, keep track of everything, you know. Number 4 is constantly needing to reinvent yourself in your business. You're going to be constantly needing to reinvent yourself, always, because so you are a reflection of your business. Constantly reinvent yourself, especially your business, like your packaging, your product. How can you make your product better? If you have that mindset of what can I do better, you will be good. Keep improving. That's what I'm saying. But you're gonna always need to reinvent yourself in your business a lot. I can't even express to you how much you're gonna need to reinvent yourself in your business. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. Like, you're gonna need to do it like every week, every month, every day. Maybe not every day, but every other day. 5, I feel like this is kind of common sense, but you're gonna be dealing with some rude people, right? Who will try to, like, you know, fake a fraud, fake a dispute after they didn't get their order, but they did. There's gonna be people who are just like flat out rude. Like, you gotta prepare yourself for that. Keep it professional. You could just give them their refund, or you're gonna be dealing with some rude people. Like, literally, people would just be rude for whatever reason. But that's the internet. But it also can be like people that you know in real life. Positivity than hate for the most part. You're gonna be dealing with some rude people. Okay, it's made by hand, so people kind of have to, you know, pay for their time and all that kind of stuff. It's pricier than like buying a lip gloss made from mineral oil at the hair store. You will get some hate, most likely. Let's hope you don't, but you probably are. Everybody that I talked to did. Especially if you blow up, you're gonna get some hate. Okay, constructive criticism, didn't think about it, but if it's just like flat out hate. Next is keep up with content or like trends. You have to make lots of content to stay relevant. What I mean by this is that you're gonna have to constantly be producing top tier your content. I don't mean like camera wise, quality wise, but like what does this content do? My thing was showing how to use the lip gloss kit. That was my thing that kind of helped me, you know, go from a few hundred to a few thousand, right? You know, you need to find innovative ways to incorporate your products. I know people do photo shoots for their lip gloss. I think that's a really cool idea. A lot of people do like a lot of like trendier things, but you know, of course, keep finding your niche, still be yourself and still be unique. You're gonna have to keep up with some type of trend. And number 7, my final tip is to stay up with your finances. If you gotta get an accountant, do that. If you gotta take some time out of your day, you're going to keep up with your finances. I feel like that's common sense, right? But you know, when I first started my business, I didn't think about all that. But you know, once again, I was like 14, so because you need to be making more money than you're spending. So that's all I have to say on what to expect when starting a lip gloss business. Hope y'all like this video. If you want more like this, make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment. My business links are down below. All my social media links are down below. And I'm also having a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. We'll see y'all in the next video.